We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, tinted glass, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.